Welcome to your Crypto Quick Start. Today, we're breaking down how to buy Bitcoin safely in 2025 straight through Kovich Bitcoin, that WhatsApp-based P2P exchange where you chat vendors one-on-one. First, crypto's digital cash, like Bitcoin in secure wallets. Pick Kovich Bitcoin. It's peer-to-peer, trusted chats, no fuss. Start by messaging their WhatsApp, say hi, join the group, verify with basic info. It's quick. Heads up scammers' fake contacts. Always confirm it's official Kovich. Fund via bank transfer, or whatever the vendor accepts. Pick Bitcoin, agree on rate, and send fiat. They release BTC. For safety, use trusted vendors with good reps. Dodge phishing links or shady DMs. They're red flags. Kovich keeps it direct. Low fees, instant trades. Selling. Reverse it, chat, agree. Send BTC. Get paid. Stay smart. Track 2025 trends like fake receipts. Ready? Hit up Kovich Bitcoin on WhatsApp now. Start small. Trade smart.